Today is the day 13. I'm going to teach you how to do Urdhva Padmasana in Shirshasana. Eldrigo Namaskara, welcome back. Today is the day 13 of the 21-day headstand mastery. So today I'm going to be teaching you something very different, quite different actually. So for this, you should be able to do Padmasana. This is definitely for those individuals who've been practicing asana for quite some time and those who can practice Padmasana, the lotus posture, very easily. Padmasana is what we call as lotus posture in English. So only if you are able to do Padmasana in the sitting position, I suggest you attempt this. If not, at least just get to know what comes after day 12 or the next variation, and just set this in mind so that you reach there eventually, in the next couple of months or the next couple of years. So let's get started. So as usual, as you know, we'll be using the blankets for this. Today I'm using another blanket, a bit extra. I usually use 2. Today I'm using 3 blankets because I feel a bit strain in the neck. So if you're feeling something like that, so you can increase the number of blankets that you do just for the extra cushion effect. So you interlock the fingers. I place it against the wall and the tip of the fingers touching the wall. And then I place the crown of the head. I lift the knees. I walk in. First I come up. So this is the first variation that we did on the very first day. So just to give you a recap, this is the first variation. This is the second, third, fourth, and the fifth. Okay, just in case if you haven't practiced this in detail, you can find my other earlier videos and then practice it accordingly. So now, the practice for today, Urdhva Padmasana and Shirshasana. So from here, if you're comfortable here, just make sure the elbows are not outside, elbows must be in. Get the balance, stay here. So from here, you're going to bend the right leg and then the left leg in Padmasana. And naturally, the leg tends to fall down. Adjust the position of the foot and then gently push the leg back. Once you do this, you can see I'm touching only the sides of the knee and then the buttocks is off the wall. You stay here and then slowly go back, touch the buttocks. The moment you touch the buttocks to the wall, naturally this starts to come down. Now, my left leg is up. I'm going to change the leg now. I'm going to stretch it up. First, I'm going to bend the left leg and then bring my right leg up top. I'm going to move the leg closer by bringing it down. I'm going to move the heel closer towards the pelvic bone by bringing the leg closer. And then after that, I stretch back. I support the sides of the knee to the wall. I take the buttocks off the wall and I try to balance there. And then I touch the buttocks. I bring the knees off the wall. I release the leg. Stretch it front. I keep the leg straight. And then while coming down, I bend the leg. I drop down. As I've told you earlier, don't immediately come up when you've practiced Shirshasana. Just stay there for some time. Slow down the breath. And then you slowly come up. So, this is Urdhva Padmasana. Urdhva means upward. Padmasana is the legs are bent in the lotus posture. So this is Urdhva Padmasana in Shirshasana. So Shirshasana is what you practice as headstand, like the body straight. So in just the same practice itself, we're going to bend the legs in Padmasana, and hence the name Urdhva Padmasana in Shirshasana. Okay, so this is for day 13. As you saw, I stayed there only for like 5-6 seconds. You can also start by staying there for 5 seconds or 2 seconds or 3 seconds, based on for how long you can do. And once you're able to do this, you can stay for up to 30 seconds. Half a minute is more than sufficient. Just make sure you practice on both the sides, with the left leg on top and then the right leg on top. This is Urdhva Padmasana in Shirshasana. So this is the next variation for today. It's the day 13. If you haven't practiced the earlier ones, please do give it a try. And as I've told you before, take your own time. Don't push yourself too much while you're practicing Shirshasana. Give your body the time it is needed for it to get used to the practice. Okay? Gaining mastery over Shirshasana takes a couple of years. Just have a lot of patience, just have a lot of trust in you, and just go along with it. I hope this was informative. Do give this a try and let me know what you felt in the comments below. I really look forward to reading them. If there's anything in particular you want me to share, you can directly write to me or reach out to me on any of my handles. Everything is available in the description. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.